Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for coming to check this video out. I've been having a very exciting couple of weeks. A lot of things have been happening in the garden. A lot of things have been happening in life. Let's start off with the 626 Festival. I mean, that's the thumbnail that you guys are seeing, so let's start off with that.
It's a very popular place.
Something like that. It's more based on the Asian cuisines, but then again, you know, they had a couple of other vendors that were kind of squeezed in. A lot of Asian fusion stuff, but then we had the African food, and then we had the Jamaican food that was some of the best Jamaican food that I have ever tasted in Southern California. Period. Hands down. The best. I will have to say it is the best Jamaican food that I've ever had. Period. Hands down. And we've had some pretty dope Jamaican food spots out here in Southern Cal. But anyway, long story short, man, I have to give this place a shout out, and it was phenomenal food. All right, so yeah, we did the 626 Food Fest. That was a beautiful thing. And then a couple weeks prior to that, I did the Gardena Jazz Festival, which was, man, it was so beautiful, man. It was great to see all my melanated people in the area vibing out. And I want to give a shout out to D-Lo's food truck. Man, that food was slapping too. That was some slapping food. So, I mean, it's been like a culinary experience the last couple of weekends, going out and enjoying life. Some of my peoples came down from San Diego. They picked some lemons. They harvested some lemons. I had them to do their own harvesting, to let them know that it's not an easy road out here harvesting lemons and fighting with lemons. fighting with lemons. So that's what we did. We were out here harvesting some lemons, and that was a beautiful thing to spend some time with my brother, with my comrade. Other than that, man, we've just been lifing. We just came back from the desert at the Camazon outlet. Guys, it was so hot out there that the handles for the bags started melting as we were walking around the outlet center. The handles of the bags just started melting. That's how hot it was. And now I'm back in my area. It's a little bit cool. As you can see, I'm in a shaded area. It's still pretty hot out here, but I'm in a shaded area. I just came to see what was going on inside the garden. If you can see right here, we got a whole bunch of dragon fruits turning red. We have a bunch of dragon fruits turning red. This means that I'll start sending out the prizes this month. So as the month progresses and the fruits get redder and redder, I'm gonna start to harvest them and send them out to the winners. It's 11 winners plus Odom, so that makes it 12 people. So I'll let you guys know when I ship your prize out, so that you can be on standby to either check your PO box or whatever mailbox that you guys have, so that you guys can get that on time. I usually do the 2 to 3 day shipping, so that you guys can get that as fresh as possible. A couple of things that I wanted to put in the boxes, but I don't know if time is gonna permit me to actually do that. But whatever you get, just make sure that you use it like right away. I'm just gonna say that. So anyway, guys, I wish you well on this beautiful holiday. I'm gonna edit this video, drop this video for you guys. I wanted to do a 2-part series to this video, but I figured that I could kind of condense everything down into a 5 to 6 minute video, so that you guys can see what's been going on out here in Southern California beyond the garden. You guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juice It with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, just go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.